In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download Instagram Reels to your phone gallery. Downloading Reels to your phone gallery is important for offline access, content backup, and sharing flexibility. It allows you to view Reels without an internet connection and ensures you have a copy if the content is removed from the platform. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. Inside the Reels section, let's say this is the reel you want to download to your phone photos. Simply tap on the share icon. You will see the download button right here. Click on it and the selected reel will start downloading. Once done, it will automatically get saved to your gallery. That's how easy it is to download Instagram Reels to your gallery. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.